All right, changing. Now, we've done this because we had a chart. Remember on our chart? We started with, did we do this?
Yes.
And did we do arrows going where?
Yeah. Down and up. Remember?
Do we do this?
Yeah.
If he doesn't say to.
And which way was our arrows?
Down is multiply.
But which way was it? Down,
Down and up.
up, divide. And we knew every section was worth 10. So if I was going from kilometer down to meter, I would multiply by 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 10. But there's a shortcut. Metrics, there's a shortcut. Now, if you're doing yards and inches and miles and that kind of stuff, or gallons and cups and pints and fluid ounces and quarts, there's no shortcut. But there is a shortcut for metrics, and that's what I'm going to teach you today, the shortcut. So if we have 99 millimeters, we can find how many centimeters without doing multiplication if we know the shortcut. Now, if you forget the shortcut, you can always go back to, well, multiply by 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 10, or divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10, till you get to it, okay? But hopefully you'll learn the shortcut. So, I'm going to write up here really quick. This is our shortcut, and it only works for metric. First thing that's key, or you're lost bigger than Dallas. You must know where Casper decimal is.
What if it already has the decimal?
Then you already see it. I'm just saying, if there's not one, you better know where Casper is. You better know where the decimal is. And if it's Casperized, you better find it. So the very first example over here, I'm going to go ahead and do it for you to talk about Casper. Where is it on 91?
To the right of the 1.
To the right of the 1. So I'm writing it in there. You must know where the decimal is, or this shortcut is out the window. You got to know where the decimal is to do the shortcut. So once we know where Casper is, boom, it comes easy. Next thing we need to know is the list of the metric measurements. Kilometers or kilo whatevers. I'm down here now, girl. There you go. Kilo whatevers. What's next? Hecto whatevers. Deca whatevers. You with me?
Another D.
Alrighty?
And
Meters or liters or
Gallons.
gallons is not metric.
Grams.
Grams, thank you very much.
D.
Deci,
Chocolate.
centi,
And millimeter.
and milli. Alright, now, some of your math teachers in the past have taught you a little jingle to help you remember it. It is different than my little jingle. So yours was King Henry died. See, y'all have no middle letter, do you? On y'all, on y'all's, right? Right?
Units.
I got units, But mine has a word for that. But we'll go with y'all's until I teach you mine. Drinking chocolate milk. Okay, mine is this. King Henry danced merrily down Central Main. King Henry danced laughingly down Central Main. King Henry danced gladly down Central Main.
Those are way better.
Okay, because it has that middle middle letter in there. So that is mine. But you can remember chocolate milk if you want to. It's just whatever helps you remember it. Kilos, hectos, deca, MLGs, deci, centi, milli.
Why is there two N's?
Okay, remember?
Because it's millimeter.
Sorry. There we go. All right. So there we have it. Now, we're going to pause, keep it running, because if you keep it running, I got to put two of them in. Here is one of those charts we just drew, this right here, for your connotes. So glue it in your connotes. That's two right there. Real quick like. In other words, you got 30 seconds.
It smells weird in here. Or Tide Farm pizza.
Really?
Like what? Like pizza or lasagna or something. Maybe
Here's one of these charts for your connotes.
Oh, I need two, Coach Jordan.
No, you don't.
Right.
First.
Oh. Sam, did you get one? Yeah.
No, give it to a reason.
Okay, got 15 seconds. Get that thing glued in there. Then I'm going on.
Like just.
I don't care how you do it. Just put it in there, babe.
Mine fits right here. Yeah, but I did stuff down here.
All right, here we go. Now, like I said, when we're dealing with changing within the metric system, I have millimeters, but I want to know how many centimeters. I have I'm over here now. There you go. I'm millimeters, but I want centimeters. We could I got millimeters and I'm going to centimeters, right? Right? And the up arrow was what?
Divide.
Divide, right? Okay. So I could take the 91 and divide it by, what's the key number between those two? 10. So I could divide by 10 and get my answer. And I would get 9 for 90. 1 left over. Look at Casper, bring it down. 1. Our answer better be 9.1. Now that's doing it with division. But you want to know the shortcut. Right? Put your little hand down.
Just jump.
Alright. The shortcut is we are starting with what? Millimeters. So I'm starting right there. Agreed?
Agreed.
Our answer, we want it to be in what terms?
Centimeters.
Centimeters.
One space over.
Right there. Correct? 1 step. So the decimal moves the same direction, the same amount of places. 1 step. And where is it now?
9.1.
9.1, just like we had when we divided. Okay, so shortcut. Is everybody okay with that? All right, that was the first one. Second one, what do we have?
2.
2. Where's the decimal?
Behind the 2.
What's his behind?
Right.
To the right. There you go. I don't know which one his behind is. He might be, on the other way. Okay. What are we starting with?
M.
What's M? Meters. Where are we wanting our answer to be? Millimeters.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3. Everybody get that? So, which direction did we go?
To the right.
To the right. And how many?
3.
1, 2, 3.
Fill it in.
Okay. What if I have blank spaces?
Put zeros.
Blank spaces. Put zeros in them. So I have there, there, there. What's my answer?
2,000.
2,000 millimeters. Is that a lot easier than dividing?
Yeah.
But wouldn't you still have the decimal right there?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Our teacher made us put that.
If you want to put it, put it. If you don't want to put it, if it's a whole number like that, leave it like that. Okay? Where's our decimal?
Well,
To the right.
To the right. We have what? Millis. Where's Millis?
in the middle.
Down here. And where are we going to?
To
To L's. How far? 1,
3 to the
2, how many?
3.
3. Same direction. 1, 2, 3. One empty loop. What's my answer?
12,000.
0.012.
12,000.
Way easier. I love shortcuts.
Did Carson not do this?
Okay?
did this.
Okay. What do we have? 350. Notice, I switched this up by putting the blank in the front. And y'all better say, who cares?
Who cares?
Who cares? We still worry about this guy. Where's the decimal? Where's Casper?
Right.
On the right. There we go. I'm starting with who?
Milligrams.
Milligrams and going to grams. Where's millis?
On the right.
Right here.
In the
Where are we
middle.
going?
To the middle.
1, 2, 3.
0.350.
1, 2, 3. My answer?
0.35 hundredths.
You want to put that? That's fine. So 350 milligrams is 0.350 grams. Just go the same direction, the same amount. What do we have? 9 kilometers. And there's Casper. Where are we going?
To the
Where we started? Ooh, way here. And where are we going?
To the sea.
To the sea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Which direction, y'all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Empty, 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 empty. Answer? 900,000 centimeters.
Big number. Actually, centimeters.
Have I lost anybody?
No.
Know where Casper is? Go to your chart. Where are you starting? Where are you going? Go the same direction and same amount of spaces with your decimal, and you got the right answer. Technically, you're multiplying by multiples of 10, or you're dividing by multiples of 10. All right, over him. Better come over here, Chicky. Do so without making people sick. Oh, look at you. There you go. Now kneel down right there.
She needs a chair.
And she's going to lay it on that table right there. And lean it up. Oh, look at her. Read it to me. No, Lily.
Brad has 4 kilograms of baking flour. How many grams of flour is this?
Is this not the same kind of question as that, except in word form? What do we have? Tell me.
4 kilograms.
4 kgs equals blank G's. Now does it look like what we've done? Where's Casper? To the right. Now on our chart, where are we starting? At K. And how far are we going?
3 spaces.
3, which direction?
To the right.
1, 2, 3. Answer? 4,000 grams. Boy, this is hard. If you'll remember King Henry on the STAR test, all you got to do is, when you see a problem about this where you got to do that, just write down King Henry danced merrily down center Main. Chocolate milk. And then, boom, then you can do your arrows right there on the STAR test, right? You make your own chart, do your own stars and loopy-loop bounces. Kill it, girl.